Good morning, students. I have given you the PDF copy through your WhatsApp regarding sample surveys and community survey. So, just to give you an explanation regarding that, I have made it into certain points and we'll see it now. Community survey in your first unit. You have a topic at the end. So, the traditional method of obtaining vital events in the civil registration system, it is reported and recorded. This survey, it is a traditional method. At the time of independence, reliable data on vital rate based on civil registration system was not available. But soon after independence, number of steps were taken to improve the vital statistics in India. Establishment of a civil registration system in a vast country like India with a different administrative structure at the grassroots level was a slow and long process. Data on vital statistics need was felt for planning purposes. There were three systems which provided data on vital rates at the national level, and these were National Sample Survey, Sample Registration System, National Family Health Surveys in the recent years, and these surveys provide different kinds of data, but all of them provide certain fertility and mortality indicators. Now, what is the importance in the demographic data system? This national survey was started with an objective, that is to fill up the gaps in essential statistics by collecting comprehensive data through sample survey, and broadly these are classified as socioeconomic, agricultural survey, industrial inquiries. National survey is a nationwide large-scale continuing integrated multi-subject survey conducted in the form of rounds of every year by a permanent whole-time survey. The methods used were personal interview and direct physical observation. You might be remembering some of the people are coming to your family and they are conducting personal interview and direct physical observation. Provisions for assessing the precision of survey results, providing periodic progressive estimates for other agencies such as states to participate in its work on matching basis. And information on demographic characteristics of population was first collected on a nationwide basis by the National Sample Survey in 1051 in a single round. It was a retrospective survey. So we are looking from back to the front, backwards to the forward ways. We are looking at the survey. So during 1958 to 1968, population surveys became an integral part of the National Sample Survey. The National Sample Survey was conducted not in 1051, it is 1951. So in the 28th round of National Sample Survey, a survey on population, family planning and morbidity was introduced. Thereafter, this National Sample Survey conducted in a demographic survey on births, deaths and population in the 39th and 44th rounds, that is in the year 1984 to June 1984. They have given comprehensive data on structure and composition of the births, deaths and marriage at the state level. Now going to the sample registration system, a brief history of this is, in India, registration of births and deaths were governed by the Registration of Births and Deaths Act in 1969. The Conference on the Improvement of Vital Statistics 1961 recommended that a scheme of sample registration areas be set up to get reliable estimation of births and deaths rates at the state and national levels. The Office of the Registrar General in India, ORGI, formulated a plan for improvement of vital events during the third fifth 5-year plan as a centrally sponsored scheme. Planning Commission approved the scheme in 1963. Pilot study was conducted in 1964 to 65, and in future it became the sample registration system from NSS. Objective of the SRS is to provide reliable estimates of birth rate and infant mortality rate at the natural divisional level for the rural areas and at the state level for the urban areas. Natural divisions are national sample surveys classified groups of contiguous administrative districts. It provides data for fertility and mortality, including fertility, infant and child mortality rates. To facilitate Millennium Development Goals (MDGs) on under 5 mortality, the estimate from this in India and bigger states for rural and urban is a regular feature of SRS annual statistical report from 2008.